All right, good day, friends. It's a pleasure to be around us again today. My name is Deji, and today's class we shall be looking at a subject as tools for a successful report writing. Tools for a successful report writing. Why do we have to bring this topic on? It is not just enough to know how to write a report. You should know how to write a report successfully. There are some things that you have to bear in mind in writing report, and that is why we're bringing this topic on for today's class. Okay, straight away, let us look at the tools for a successful report writing. I've listed them on the right hand side of the board. And I said number one is suitable heading. You must have an appropriate heading. Heading, you must have an appropriate heading or what you call subject or subject. Now, so your subject must, number one, be captivating. Your subject must tell us what are we expecting in your report. What is actually your mind about this report. What are we expecting in your report? Your subject must be able to tell us. You must be able to carve your subject in a way that it will comprise. Your subject must comprise of all all the requirements. All the requirements. For some of us that write a professional exam, requirement one and requirement two, your subject must be able to capture all. Must be able to you must find a way to summarize your subject in such a way that it will tell us the body of this report is answering all the requirements that you are expected to write. So your subject must be very captivating, and it must tell us the mind, what we're about to see in the report. Okay, I hope we are following. Okay, number two is the objective of the report. Now, this is very, very important. The objective of the report. The objective of the report must state the objective. Number two, the objective of the report. The objective of your report is in various forms. There are some, you see, let me just list them out. An objective could be for, probably the report is for information, or we call it informative report. The next one could be like analytical report. A report could also be a report for appraiser, to appraise. It could be an appraisal report. You understand it? Okay, so while you are writing your objective, you must be able to tell us the objective of that report. Is it to inform the board of directors on so and so, or to analyze what has happened before, probably in the financial statement, or to analyze the environmental factors that led to where the organization is, the kind of profit they're experiencing now. To analysis, you put words together, you relate the external factor with the internal factor, you relate the performances, etc. That is analysis. Now, is it to appraise the performance of the management? Is it to appraise the performance of the staff? Whatever it is, you must let us know under the objective of the report. Please bear it in mind. Okay, I hope you are following. Okay, the next one is the type of report. The type of report. When we say the type of report, what do we mean? We mean, is this report internal or external? That's just the meaning. A report could either be an internal report or an external report. It's as simple as that. Okay, but it's not, for a number of students, it might not be as like simple. But for us to get it well, we have done a video before that is called how to identify, or how to know whether a report is internal or external.